In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Trading 212 platform with ease. Whether you're a beginner just starting your investment journey or an experienced trader looking to streamline your activity, you'll find these tips helpful. Let's dive into it. First, open up your web browser and type in the address for Trading 212. If you don't have it saved as a bookmark yet, simply entering Trading 212 in your preferred search engine should lead you to the platform's homepage. Once you're there, you might want to consider bookmarking this page for future convenience, especially if you plan to return frequently. Next, draw your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll see a collection of horizontal lines commonly known as the hamburger menu. This icon is your gateway to a host of features and settings on the platform. Click on it to bring up a side menu. This is where Trading 212 consolidates various sections of the site for easy navigation. Once you've opened the menu, your next step is to look for the circular icon with an arrow. This is typically an indicator for an account-related action or feature. Clicking this button will take you to the subsequent step in our guide, signaling a confirmation prompt that's often built into web applications to ensure users don't perform unintentional actions. After clicking the circular icon, you'll be prompted with a simple query on your screen asking you to confirm your intention. At this point, all you need to do is click yes. This small step ensures that your action is deliberate and provides a safety net against any inadvertent clicks. This approach reflects Trading 212's commitment to user-friendliness and helps maintain a seamless experience. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully followed through the quick and effective process of accessing the necessary settings on Trading 212. Navigating online platforms can sometimes feel overwhelming, but breaking it down into simple, actionable steps can make it much more manageable. Remember, as you get more familiar with the site, you'll become more efficient, making your trading activities less time-consuming and more enjoyable. I hope you found this guide helpful. Navigating Trading 212 doesn't have to be a complicated task. With these steps under your belt, you'll be equipped to explore the platform more confidently. Thank you for watching and happy trading.